Denim, denim, denim. Denim, denim, denim. Like the Super Mario twins. Hey! Yeah! Hope you're enjoying the silly waves, because I'm trying to think of more of them, but eventually, just like with everything else I do, I'm gonna run out of ideas, and it's just gonna be boring. But, as is this channel's motto, deal with it. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I am your host, the fancy dingbat, SBMITCH. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram at this handle that's on the screen right now. And you can also visit my website, which is called Ransom Note Sneakers. And you can find anything from this box or other boxes and some other things to buy if you like. Or you can just look if you want. Today's video, as you could probably tell from the title and or thumbnail, is a beater box unboxing. This beater box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, which is a sneaker shop in the Bay Area of California that has a membership-only beater box program. Memberships are closed right now. Follow them on Twitter, turn on your post notifications so you can find out when they are releasing some more memberships, because it's kind of worth it. This box in particular was $575 plus $40 to ship it all the way to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, for a grand total of $615. These boxes are actually priced to make you money, so you should probably stick around until the end, or towards the end, so you can see me break it down with the help of my friend MC Hammer to show you how much this box is worth according to
fair market value
versus how much I paid, which, as I said before, was $615. So let's open it. Box is open, that's clearance. They're gonna tell you how much each shoe is worth and then keep tally of how much everything is worth, because that's what they do, as if they have a choice. First shoe out is a loose shoe. This is a LeBron 8, size 8 as well. This is a pair of the Solar LeBron 8s. I think it's like 8.5 or something like that. These are actually in really, really good shape. You can see like hardly any wear on the bottoms. This was when LeBrons were like really, really good. Like 8s, 9s, even 7s are really, really good LeBrons. Yeah, there's like very little wear on these. Just a small size, no box, but good shoe still. So your first shoe out is a LeBron 8 Solar Red. If you're interested in that shoe or any of the other shoes in this box, they will probably end up on my website, which you can find in the video description below. If it's not there, that means it's either sold already or it's just not on the website yet. So contact me through the website if you have questions. Next out, this is a FOAMPOSITE. This is an Air FOAMPOSITE 1 size 10.5. Interesting. These are the denim FOAMPOSITEs that came out pretty recently. These are actually pretty slick, not gonna lie. Not a fan of denim as an upper material. Never really have been, which is weird because I like SBs, but yeah, these are, I mean, very little wear on the bottoms. These look like they've been worn like once or twice. So no discoloration on the outsole, which is pretty rare for foams, but this also came out like pretty recently. So here's your first shoe with the box out. This is a size 10.5, Air FOAMPOSITE 1 denim. Jordans, this is all Jordans in here. Woo, this is a size 12, Air Jordan 7 Retro, according to the box. This is the most recent release of, I think these are the Olympics. Yeah, Olympic 7s. The 9 on the back right there. Pretty decent shape. It looks like someone spilled coffee or something on them, so that you just wipe it off and it'll be fine. These are in pretty solid shape. They just need a good cleanup. You see the bottoms are dirty a little bit, but overall, not too bad of a shoe. I'm not a huge fan of 7s. That's just kind of how it is. Gold lace tips, that's a nice touch. There's another shoe out. This is a size 12 Jordan 7 Olympic from 2016, right? Boop. This is another size 12. This is an Air Jordan 10 Retro 30th. I think this is the Bulls Over Broadway 10s. These are very lightly worn as well. Red shoes and a 10. That's a no from me, dog. Pop culture reference. I'm just not a huge fan of red shoes, and I'm not a really big fan of 10s just because it's a goofy model. A lot of people like 10s though. 10s are very comfortable from what I hear. And this is actually probably one of the more popular 10s, so can't sneeze at that. Here's another shoe, size 12. Bulls Over Broadway, Jordan 10s. All right, 3 more in here. Probably another size 12. It is. It's Air Jordan size 12. Air Jordan 7 size 12. HARE 7s. These look like they were tried on and nothing more. Good shoe though. Hey, look at that. I didn't know this came in here. HARE Jordan. Neat. This is a Jordan 7 Hare. These are in great shape, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they look like they were worn once and indoors, so I don't really know if that's true. I'm just taking a guess. Size 12, Jordan 7 Hare. So that's 5, there's 2 more in here. Let's grab this one. This is a beat up box. It's an Air Jordan 2 Retro, size 12. Infrared 23, Jordan 2s. Pretty decent shape, just need a really good cleanup. 2s are actually, you know, a lot of people like 2s. They just need to be cleaned. You can see some dirt and stuff on the midsole there. Probably take that off with a magic eraser. Some scuffing and stuff too. 2s don't really hold much value. I don't know why. This is still a cool shoe. I don't mind the silhouette so much. I don't know why people don't like 2s. I kind of like them. It's got a fat tongue. It's kind of almost like a Dunk High SB, but size 12, just like every other shoe in this box, it seems like. Jordan 2 Infrared 23. And your last shoe out is a size 12. Again, Air Jordan 11 Retro. You can tell by the box what it is. You see that little blue rivet that's right there. These are Gamma 11s. These are in decent shape, probably about a 7 out of 10. Not much toe box greasing. Doesn't look like they were worn super heavily. Bottoms are discolored naturally because this came out in like 2014 or something like that. The cap and gown release from last year was very much compared to this release. A lot of people prefer this because of that little jump man right there, but that's okay. I mean, this is obviously the money shoe, but this is also a $575 box, and all the other shoes are pretty decent. So there's your last shoe, size 12, Gamma 11s. And that is a $575 Sole Supremacy beater box filled with Jordans and a LeBron. Oh, and a FOAMPOSITE. There's a FOAMPOSITE in here too. Let's give it a grade. Time to give this box a grade. And we will give it a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, and hype/value, because a shoe with no hype has no value. Let's do condition first. There are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 shoes in this $575 Sole Supremacy beater box, and none of them are dead stock. We'll give it about a C+. Sizes, so we have 8, 10.5, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. As far as Jordans go, it's not really a bad size, but would like to see more variation. Sizes on this box, we'll say about a B-. Hype/value. This is a pretty standard $575 box. All the shoes are pretty okay. There's not one crazy money shoe and then a bunch of other crud. Hype/value on this box, we'll say about a B. So with the grade of C+ for condition, the grade of B- for sizes, and the grade of B for hype/value, this $575 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of B-. So I graded out this box as a B- box, a B- box. Hey, we gonna make any money on it? Let me know, MC Hammer.
Break it down.
Don't expect to make too much money off this box. I mean, we'll make our money back and maybe a little bit more, but not a crazy amount. But hey, that's kind of what happens with this price range. If you're interested in any of these shoes, which means you're a size 12, hit me up via the website down below, ransomnotesneakers.com. Most of these shoes will probably be up there on Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I got another beater box coming in towards the end of the week, so we'll open that together. And then until then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. Being happy is kind of cool. Okay, see you later, bye. Oh, sorry. See you later, bye.